chose this one because it was very interesting, integrating the HIT side and the computer programming side. I learned how to build a database from scratch in using SQL Server 2016, and it was very interesting how to build it from scratch. Finding all the data you need for the database was very cool to organize.
The Health Data Specialist program combines courses that have a more computer science behind them, along with the health information technology, such as the legal aspects of health information and health information foundations. So it's a blending of two programs.
The Health Data Specialist field, I thought, was very appealing because the electronic health record is going really far, because the health information is growing into the technology side of things, so I figured job security.
We've had students have great success. There's really good opportunity here with the CentraCare Business Office.
I was very nervous. The first week was very interesting, trying to get used to the code but after I caught on, I loved it. It's very interesting.
If you have more of the data-based mindset, if you like the computer side of it more, the Health Data Specialist is certainly a program that will be adaptable for you.
I would say don't give up on learning it, because it takes a little bit to get in the groove of things.